A very warm welcome to my presentation. This is Mohammad Faik from Mechanical Branch and my topic is types of DC generators. DC generators are categorized into three main types. Before going all to this, what is a DC generator? DC generators are electrical devices for converting mechanical energy to electrical power. Cutting magnetic flux by armature produces EMF based on Faraday's law and electroinduction. EMF is cause of current in the circuit. DC generators are categorized into three main types based on their methods of field excitation: permanent magnet, separately excited, self-excited DC. Self-excited DC generators. So same permanent magnet, separately excited, self-excited. So permanent magnetic DC generator. This kind of generator utilizing permanent magnets for creating and flux in magnetic circuit is known as permanent magnet DC generator. It is basic type of generator. There is an armature. There is an armature and one or many permanent magnet placed around. It is not used in industrial application. This type it cannot supply much power. This cannot supply much power due to the design of generator and does not employ in industrial application. Permanent magnet DC generator are casually used in small applications such as dynamos in motorcycles. Voltage is created when the wire cuts the field and the amount of it is independent on the wire's loop, rate of rotation in the field. Next one is separately excited DC generator. External DC source, that is battery, is used in the system of energizing field magnets. As the rotation speed increases, it can provide a higher EMF and a voltage in the output. The circuit diagram for the separately excited DC generator is illustrated. In the diagram, we can see IL is the load current, and IA is the armature current, and EG is the generated EMF, and V is the terminal voltage. Moving further, the next type is self-excited DC generator. Self-excited DC generator have field magnets that are energizing their own supplied current, and the field coils are connected to the armature internally. There is always some flux in the poles because of the residual magnetism. As the armature rotates, some current is produced, and this small current flows through field coils with the load and strengthening the pole flux. By increasing the pole flux, the EMF and the current increases, and the cumulative process is continuing until the excitation is necessary. Self-excited DC generators are classified based on the field coils and their position also. First one is short wound generator, second one is compound wound generator, third one is series wound. And in these three types, I would like to say something about short wound. The field windings are connected to the armature conductors parallelly to excite the generator. Field windings are insulated current carrying coils that produce the magnetic field. And in the series wound, the field winding in series with the armature conductors in series wound generators. Current in the field coil is same as the load and flows in both. And in compound wound, the output voltage and EMF is dependent on the load current in the series wound type. So this was my presentation on types of DC generators, and I would like to thank everyone and end my presentation.